Look for the green, boys. Look for the green. Look for the green.
That one to the right. Oh, that one got close.
Good morning, everybody. Today is the opening day of the Minnesota duck and goose season. I haven't really talked about this much, but I've been working up here in Northwest Minnesota for DRC Call Company the last couple summers, making duck and goose calls. And I've enjoyed it so much that I decided to come back up here for the next couple months, make some more calls and try and experience some of the hunting culture up here. I think there's going to be some great kayak hunting to be had up here. But this morning we are heading out to a field. We went scouting last night and we found a field that's like nothing I've ever seen before. Had probably 1,000+ ducks in it, a couple hundred honkers as well. And I've actually never shot a duck in a field before. So if I can shoot one duck in a dry field today, I'm gonna be absolutely stoked. But I think this has the potential to be quite the barrel burner. We're gonna have 6 or 7 guys out there in the morning. I'm actually gonna be hunting with my buddy Jordan. I'm at his place right now, and I'm really excited to be sharing a blind with him because I stayed with him last summer, but I never had the opportunity to hunt with him. But he's given me a ton of tips about hunting, calling. He's a very experienced waterfowl hunter, so I think it's gonna be really fun to share a blind with him and some of his buddies. I'm gonna be hunting out of A-frames this morning. Got a perfect grass row that runs right through the field, so we just got my final approach sub-3 blind brushed in. I've never owned an A-frame before, so I'm really excited to be using that this season. It brushed in really easy, and we're gonna be throwing a spread of like 15, 20 silhouettes, couple spinners, because apparently that's what the ducks key in on out in these fields. Gonna try and get a few hours of sleep here, just a little bit after midnight now. Probably get out there around 6 o'clock. So quite a bit more sleep than I've got in any other opener that I've gone on in the last couple of years. So excited about that. And yeah, hopefully shoot some ducks here in a few hours.
Oh, there's one right there in our decoy. That was a wood duck. It's legal.
Get him.
Only one got
Get that one.
There you go.
Good shot.
I got nervous.
Oh, another one.
Get him.
Tried to get that one up high.
I tried to.
Oh,
I love the foggy mornings. So
Yeah, they're just coming out of nowhere. It's pretty wild.
just gotta be careful. That was last weekend.
Let's see if I can't shoot
Coming through the fog.
first field duck.
That was the same with us. Oh, there's a barn. There's
some
6.
to the right. Oh, yeah. Here's a solo.
get him.
Oh, nope.
Sorry.
Oh, no, you're all good.
Sorry, I just got super happy.
They ain't gonna see me coming.
Dude, that's so awesome.
Where'd you get that at?
You homemade it.
Walmart.
I had to put the up top.
Get that one on the right.
Whoa!
God.
Done.
He's had enough.
That's a dead duck. There's your first.
I split on it with someone, I think. One out front low. Coming right in. This one's all you, G-Man.
Get him, Grant. That thing up.
Oh,
Who's shooting it?
Grant.
Grant.
It's all Grant.
There you go.
good shot.
Drake.
Yeah.
Can't beat it. I feel bad for the guys sitting
3 on the right.
COVID patient.
Yeah. Let's just.
Court's immune to COVID.
Oh. They're about to take a deep nap. Come on, let them center.
Get him.
Oh, here comes more too.
Hell yeah.
Oh shit, all 3 of them.
We should go pick up some ducks, actually. Run out there as fast as you can and go pick up as many as you can.
Go get him, girl.
Yep.
I have not found any.
I'm just picking up hens right now.
got a couple.
You got a few?
I got.
Here's one out front.
Woody. Yep.
Oh, he loved that.
Oh, let him do it.
That one up.
Get him.
Oh wow.
Get him.
Kill him! Oh my! Maybe call him back
I
around.
didn't even pop up. I thought left side, left side.
Nice.
You're still farting up
Dude,
those
this is
Oh
so
man.
So bad.
Dude, you got
I feel bad for Agatha last night. I can only imagine.
Dude, I woke up this morning and my guts were just rumbling. I
when
farted
you called me, yeah.
like a 60-second fart.
I suppose it's time.
2 off the right here, boys. 2 off the right.
Gotta pick out drakes. The one on the right's a drake.
Both drakes.
Shoot
Shoot
that.
that.
Shoot.
That drake.
Good shot.
Okay.
Oh, right
I
on the
see
path.
that, yeah. Right on the path.
Good shot, Court. Thank you.
That's not another hen, is it?
It's a drake.
Okay. I would have felt.
With a band on it.
I would have felt really bad if I had misid'd that one.
No, it doesn't have a band. But...
Let's see it.
Oh yeah.
Well, right.
What a stud drake for what you shot there.
Thank you.
That's a mounter right there, bud.
Too low
Half a
back,
season.
coming right over top. At about 3, 2,
Oh, look at him.
right.
Aren't they Woodies? Oh. Here, they're coming back.
Do it. Good shot, Court.
Watch that one.
He's dialed in.
No, you heard it.
I don't think I put that. Yeah. Can I go snag those or just...
One there. One there.
I should have my Apple Watch on and get my exercise in. Here, get down, get down, get down. Ah, they flared. Here, give it a good look, Richard.
If it's a drake, we should kill it.
That's a drake.
No, he's gonna do it.
That's a drake, though.
Alright, well,
That's
He's had enough. Good night.
who wants to shoot it?
Jordan,
I'll
Jordan, you haven't shot him.
shoot him, Jordan. Oh, you hit him.
Oh, nice.
Finally.
Look how black that one's. Not that it matters, they're yellow, but
Are the tail feathers completed or are they notched? Like that's an immature bird for sure.
this is immature. Just once in my life do I just want to go out there and pick up a banded duck.
Yeah, I know.
just once.
Just once.
Not
twice.
You gotta get
If
one of the
it's
fancy
mine.
green ones, though. Yeah.
Payday.
Oh, here's Woody's.
What's that?
Oh, Woody's out front.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, they gave it to me.
How much was it?
Regular band, too.
How much was it?
These ones are
65.
Spinning.
I wish it would have been like 600, but
Oh, here, right here to our right. Nice group coming in.
you shoot that over here. Yeah, this was right over by Mosher's. Oh, really? Yeah, pond by
Where's the
Preston
bandit?
They
Mosher.
coming? Oh, mallards, we gotta wait.
Are they mallards?
That's a hen to the right. Hen.
Oh, that was a drake.
Let's go.
Good shot, yep.
Fuck, I nicked that bad.
That better be a drake.
It was.
Yep.
All woodies are fair game.
Yep.
Not too far, but still, I know we banded
Here,
that year.
here's one right here. Should I shoot this? It's a mallard.
We got-
See if it's a drake. It is.
Yeah.
Oh, don't shoot it. Shoot it. Good shot.
Nice shot. Nice times. Tell that look brown.
I heard drakes.
Didn't it have?
I had one more hen to shoot anyway, so if anybody shot a hen, it's.
I don't know, the belly watching them woodies.
That was on me if it's not, but it looked pretty.
It did.
I guess I should probably go.
Belly did.
Yeah. That's why I went off.
Oh, right above, right above.
Just coming out.
I don't know where they
There's one right around the right. Alright, let me look at these.
We should get these more. That one's an area.
That's gonna be a hard one to find. Yeah.
Let's go pick it up.
Yeah, let's go.
Good.
Yeah, I can't really. Like, they'll be like, this bird's over there. I'm always like, where's it at? That one time, by the Amish, like,
Drake.
Oh yeah.
we only had like one more goose to go. We just lost him. Fly down there. Man, I just got it right in the mouth. We have room or no?
That's right. Still
That looks like a nicer one or no?
Yeah, this one was
Was that one out there a hen or drake?
that one. That was him. Good call out. Yeah.
Behind us. They're too high.
What's the best looking Drake?
Probably him.
That one's the best one. Well, I have
I
some.
mean, he's
on
got a
mine.
pretty.
Yeah.
His head's not there, but he's got a pretty well defined chest.
I think it's the one that I picked up.
That's right.
First field duck for sure.
He's starting to get there.
That's a good one for the first duck in a field. Oh, oh, it's
You never shot ducks in a field
immature.
before?
we don't get them in Virginian fields.
Really?
So this is a brand new experience for me.
What do you guys farm down there?
Same stuff, but we have so much water they just don't
Look at a
feed.
duck's penis.
Show it to me.
I don't like going down there, but you go like that.
Proceeds
and you find it, and you pinch it, and you have to like curl it, and it pops out. Good. I'll go check on it once.
Oh man, look at them drop.
That's a Drake. Yeah.
I think the one behind us is.
Drake behind us?
Yep.
We shoot the single drake. We got geese behind us.
Oh, he turned.
We got geese behind us.
This duck on our
Kill
right
this
is,
single.
There's a drake on the right. Just heard it. Okay, I'll shoot it or what?
Yeah, close up.
Get him cool.
Good shot.
Oh. He got up.
Yep. I put more in him though. He's gonna die.
Dropped off the stop, didn't
He's
he?
gonna die.
Boom.
Dead.
Yeah, take
All right, straight back.
Better start going.
Down the valley.
Holy cow. This is Fast and Furious.
Oh, right here. Right here.
Oh, don't shoot the swans in the back.
Oh wow.
That
Right
right
one. Good job,
That one
boys.
was a Drake.
All right, let's pick those up.
All right, yeah. Good shot.
Oh, really? Yeah, racing pigeon
all
from
Drakes.
Pennsylvania.
All Drakes, baby.
Here's a duck locked up out front court. He's dropping.
Duck out front.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
He's still gonna see it.
Well, it's good to know we can pick them out when we got a little light.
Yeah, these ones are doing it to our right.
Oofda, 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 oofda.
There's some 3 pintails.
These ones are.
Oh, baby.
Oh, shoot.
They're gonna cut and swing right in here, Joe. Oh, buddy.
Look for the green, boys. Look for the green. Look for the green.
That one to the right. Oh, that one got posted. Everybody shot now.
Yeah, it's got brown chest. That's Drake.
They're both hens.
Oh.
They got.
Those are hens.
Oh no.
Yeah, those are hens.
I can take one. Wild. They don't care at all. Holy cow. Holy cow. That's a lot of ducks.
You guys have full 100% limit.
Okay.
Yeah, I got my
Drake.
I got my 4 right here.
Hen. Wait, how many drakes can I have?
You can
have
it's
4 drakes.
you can have 4 drakes but only 2 hens.
Yeah, you can have 4.
So we're good.
Well, I'm
4.
Yeah, you got 2 drakes,
you
2
can have
hens.
6.
4 mallards, but 2 can be
4
hens.
mallards, 6 ducks total.
So you can shoot 4 drakes. Here, what's this?
That's a wood. What was that?
Teal.
Good shot.
I knew it looked a little.
I'm like, he's too fast to be a mallard.
Shoot some.
I heard that sound.
We want to pull mojos now?
Yeah.
Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Oh shit.
Do you have time to close this door?
Nope.
Please don't shoot. Please don't shoot. Here they come. Oh my god.
What are they doing?
They're coming right at us. He's 5.
Here they come. Teal out front too.
What a
We might have to.
we gotta shoot him out the back.
Yeah, I feel like we should.
Get him over the top.
We dropped one. Watch that
2.
Watch these 2 on the left leg hangers.
I freaking broke my ankle almost.
Yeah, that was bending over.
All right, that one behind us, he's going down.
Yeah, that one. No. Want me to go get him?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They're kind of cool.
They're really neat looking ducks.
Yeah.
I'd probably get one mounted. But...
Were they keeled over again or what? Were they dead or did you have to chase them?
Stone dead.
Really? Yep. I just want a big flock of these to ball up. That'd be so cool.
Walk of shame.
I'm surprised there's not more wood ducks.
Look at them.
This way, the geese will come.
The walk of shame.
You lose a sock?
Both.
Both.
Yeah, I lost.
A sock and about 5 pounds.
Oh, that's pretty.
Very pretty.
There's no English on it other than gold and black.
Just give it back. I want to try it.
Is it chew?
It looks like it
Causes
causes
cancer.
cancer. I was gonna say.
That's Brazilian chew.
It smells good.
Like this.
Can I shoot it?
Wood duck.
No. Yeah.
Kill it.
Get him!
Kill it. Oh my.
How did I whip that?
That wasn't going insane.
I just heard it.
I'm like, please fly away. Please fly away.
Another duck for you to
I
clean.
thought for sure that one was getting away. I had zero
That duck was
confidence in
$5 in
GB.
shells.
I really thought this would burn.
I think
What do you think, Jordan?
we need to get this thing packed up and let the ducks get back in here.
Well, if we want to go tomorrow, we could just set the A-frames in the ditch too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
There's
true.
no big wind that's gonna come up or anything.
No.
Unless somebody.
You get that one, Grant?
Yeah.
Nice.
Banded?
Nope.
One must be yours. That one must be yours. All the
Well, I don't know.
Oh, hey, 2 geese.
The
two
FA
geese, 2 geese, 2 geese, 2 geese. Yeah, Jordan.
It's always when you're packing. Now Jordan has to wait half an hour.
Has anybody got a bird with them?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy.
Big camera.
Yeah. I don't know
I
if
can do it if you want.
I don't know
That's that Brazilian bud.
if y'all miss them. Kill him, Court. That was a good way to end it.
But your pickup's not here.
Right there. It's on its way.
Not bad for your first duck.
I
Feel
bottom
that?
steer.
No, not bad at all for the first hunt in a field for ducks.
First Minnesota hunt?
First Minnesota hunt.
Ever?
First. Yeah,
No shit.
I didn't stay up here for the season last year. I think this is the prize of the day right here.
Yeah, bluing.
A bluing in a field. That's pretty wild.
So you're just up to work with Loffer then?
Yeah, I'll be up here for a couple months. That's going to be a wrap on day one of the Minnesota waterfowl season. Out doing an evening scout with Nelly girl, who just decided to lay down. And we're not seeing a whole lot, but some of the other guys are out scouting as well, and they're seeing a little bit more. So hopes are definitely high for day two. We were hoping the birds were going to get back in that same field from this morning, but I just rode by there, and there was only a few geese and some swans in there. So our plan to try and get out of there quickly and early didn't really work out. I think we just stayed in just a little bit too long for the birds to really get settled back in there this morning, and apparently they bounced somewhere else for the evening. But had an absolute blast today. Huge thanks to Jordan and Grant for having me along on this one, and really fun first field duck hunt. I mean, I guess I really couldn't have gone any better. Having big flocks like that, working the spread, just so many ducks in general. It was almost sensory overload at times. Kind of hard to catch your breath when there's ducks in the air pretty much continuously from shooting light up until 9 o'clock, but it's a good problem to have, and it was fun it was hectic in a very fun way. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the hunt, leave in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Hope everybody out there is staying safe. God bless, and thanks for watching.